Hello, my name is Diane. I'm an information assistant at the Pierre Britton Library. Thanks for tuning in. The math activity I'd like to share is creating patterns with sound. You can create sound by making some very simple and easy percussion instruments at home using everyday objects. For example, a small container half filled with rice can become a shaker. An empty tissue box wrapped with rubber bands can become a simple guitar. And an overturned pot with a wooden spoon can become a simple drum. Probably best to save this one for last. To start, the younger the child, the more free time I would give them to just explore the sounds of these homemade instruments. They may even stumble upon patterns during this time quite naturally. Self-discovery is, of course, the best scenario. One way to approach the teaching of patterns is to start by demonstrating simple patterns with one instrument at a time and having your child repeat. For example, you could do 1, 2, 1, 2 on the tissue box guitar. 1, 2, 1, 2. That would be the pattern. After a few simple patterns with one instrument, you could then include a second instrument. It could sound something like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and so forth. When ready, you can move on to including a third instrument. It could sound something like 1, 2, 1, 2. As you'll notice, this makes the pattern longer and more complex. Depending on their readiness, children could also be encouraged to come up with their own patterns, ask others to play these, and then identify them. For example, guess my pattern. If you guessed 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you're correct. Next steps could also include enlisting the help of each family member to play one instrument in the pattern sequence. This teaches timing and the concept of pausing, or in musical terms, the rest. If you're looking for some related books to help illustrate the concept of patterns, check out these titles available at our resource branches. I hope you liked this activity. If you liked it, please click like and subscribe to Vaughan Public Libraries on social media. If you have the opportunity to try this activity with your child, we would love to hear your percussion patterns in action. Please post them to #VPL@home. If you would like to see more educational STEAM videos, please check us out on our YouTube channel. You can find us by searching for Vaughan Public Libraries on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and stay healthy, everyone.